Hello, wonderful people. Today I'm cooking a super flavorful, delicious red curry noodle soup. And I do it in my Instant Pot. I believe that it's much more delicious when you cook it in an Instant Pot. I hope you all have one. Seems like most people do these days. Don't forget to look below the video to check out the recipe, the prep time, the cook time, and the total time, and so forth. And what I do first is I add, of course, the oil, and I use avocado oil. I believe it's the most healthy oil. You can, of course, use whatever oil you prefer. And then I add sweet onion diced, carrots diced, and I saute that for some time according to the recipe. And then I add red curry paste, garlic, fresh ginger, grated, of course, and stir all that together. And then I will add fish sauce, Thai sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, kosher salt, and I will add vegetable broth. You can add chicken broth if you want, but I prefer vegetable broth. And then I will add the bay leaf. I add more than one. I'm not sure if it makes a difference, but it sure gives it a good flavor. And lastly, I will add the chicken breasts. And usually I add less than half a pound. I'm sorry. Usually I add less than 1 pound, I should say. And then I cook it in the Instant Pot. And then I go on to step number 2. And step number 2 is to remove the cooked chicken. And I will go ahead and shred the chicken while it's warm. And here you can see I chopped the red bell pepper rather, basil leaves, cilantro, and I will add all that into the soup. And you can add green onions too if you want at this point. I usually add that as a garnish after. And then, of course, lime juice, if I didn't say that already. And then I will add the coconut milk. And it has to be the full fat coconut milk. And then, of course, stir this a little bit. And after I have stirred for a little bit, I will go ahead and add the noodles. And those are the thin rice noodles. I prefer to use brown rice noodles. I believe they are called Maifun noodles. I believe it's spelled M-A-I. And cook that, and then I will add the shredded chicken. And yeah, it's starting to look so yummy already. Stir that a little bit. And then you can just go ahead and garnish it with whatever you like. If you want more lime juice, cilantro, green onions. It is such a delicious dish. I probably make this once a week. I hope you all enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.